Hi everyone. I am so glad to be here today. I am so glad that you are here. If you are new to my channel, I am Lisa from Everything Nice for Dolls. I make and sell doll clothes for the 18-inch dolls, such as the American Girl dolls. I also make other sizes, such as the 15-inch Bitty Babies and the 14-inch Wellie Wishers. I have an Etsy shop, and I will put that link down in the description area. So in today's video, I am going to unbox and review American Girl Dolls Care for Baby Set. So now, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Also, hit that bell notification so you will always know when I upload another video. And share it with your friends. Okay, so first of all, before I start with the video, I wanted to kind of show you what I've been up to lately. So, lately, you know, I do make doll clothes for American Girl dolls, but I also do for the Bitty Baby. And I just finished this weekend, this cute little outfit for the Bitty Baby. And it is now listed in my Etsy shop. So if you go in on my Etsy shop, you can see a little bit more details of it. It is very cute. I got the pattern. I got that from pixiefair.com. And the pattern is by Baby Mine. Okay. I believe that is. Okay. All right. So now on with our unboxing. Okay. Okay. So now I have got my box. I haven't even opened it yet. So I am going to go ahead and start opening this up. And this is the American Girl doll Care for Baby. The reason why I got this is because I think it's cute for one thing. I mean, you know, I've seen pictures of it and it looks very cute. But the main reason why I got this, okay, so now there's lots of packing peanuts. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that over there. Okay. So now here is the American Girl Truly Me Caring for Baby set. Okay, so the main reason why I got this is because I wanted to have the doll to be able to make some doll clothes. I've seen lots of people making doll clothes for this. This is an 8-inch doll. Okay, so here we've got care instructions right here. Okay, care instructions. All right, and so here's little bitty diapers. I'm thinking I could probably make some little diapers, teeny tiny diapers. They are teeny tiny. Okay, and then it has inside, let me just open this up. Okay, so inside there is a little, it looks like a little changing thing. Like it folds out where you can change the baby's diaper. I had one of those when my little girl was a baby, which has been almost 20 years. I mean, she'll be 20 in July. And here is a little, a smart girl's guide to babysitting. So your dolls, your American Girl doll can can babysit. And here's some couple of teeny tiny little bitty diapers. Okay, so that's that. Okay, and then the other thing, now this is something, because it said adult assembly required. So I think this is part of the high chair, so that will have to be put together. Okay, so this is also part of the high chair that will have to be, I'm gonna get my scissors, okay, and undo that. So this is part of the high chair, and it comes with, inside here is a little dish. Okay, so it's a little dish that you can be able to feed the baby with. And here's a little bottle that the baby's going to be able to drink. Okay, and then right here is some a little container for little bitty baby wipes. Okay, that's cute. And then, of course, you've got this right here. This looks like, let me see, get this. It looks like that this is pretend baby food. Yes, it's like pretend baby cereal. Okay, yeah, that you put inside the bowl to pretend like you're feeding the baby. Well, this will have to be, this is the high chair thing, and that will have to be assembled on there. Okay, also we have part of the high chair. It's the seat part. And I will get that put together a little bit later. There's something else. Oh, that's one of those silica packets. Okay. So, okay. Now, ta-da-da, here comes the baby. Here we got the baby. Here, let me see. Let me see her. Oh, isn't she cute? Oh, she's so cute. I have never seen her. I've seen pictures of her, but I haven't seen pictures of her up close. So she's got a little bib on, and I'll take that off here, and I'll show it to you. See, it's got a little butterfly on it with American Girl. Okay. Yeah, see that? Okay. And she's got a little bow in her hair and some little tights. I'm thinking I could probably try to make some little tights or some pants or something. And then she's got a little top on. That's so cute. Okay. And, yeah, that's about it. Oh, I forgot. You know what? There was something I forgot. I did not show you. This is a little spoon for her bowl. There you go. There you go. Okay. So, all in all, I think she is very cute, and I can't wait to start making some little things for this baby. It will be cute. Okay, so now I thought that I would show you kind of up close the baby. Here's the baby. See? She's so cute. Okay. All right. And here's some more of her things. It's her little diaper, the little diaper changing pad. That's what that is. Oh, and something else. Okay, I did not realize this because I didn't open it up. But the little thing for the baby wipes, there are actual baby wipes that pop up. Isn't that cool? That is so cool that there's actual little wipes that pop up. And her cereal bowl and spoon. Okay, let me show her now. Now, I already assembled the high chair. So here is the high chair. And it's pretty easy to assemble. You just basically you just snap the legs in, and then this tray part just snaps on. And here we'll put her in the high chair. Okay, so now here she is. She's in her high chair. Here she is, sitting in her high chair, and she can actually kind of, it's got handles, so she can sort of hold this bottle in her hand like that. See, like that. There, and then she's going to have her, her baby food and her baba. Anyway, I think this is just a really cute little set. So yeah, that is it. And also be on the lookout in the maybe next time for my next video. I know I've been talking about this, the unicorn bedroom. I know I've been talking about it for, seems like forever, but it is finally taking shape, and I will put that video of the unboxing of the unicorn, the little My Life bedroom set. I will put that link up there in the cards. Okay, so, all right, so I guess for now, this is it. All right, bye.